Just from that little bit I did. You can see it had at least 2 different coats of paint on it. It took it right off like it was nothing. But oh yeah, I am very, very happy with this piece of equipment.
This is the Veterans and Community Alliance, and their mission is to provide a needed service to veterans. We stopped by and asked them about their organization and their first impression of the vapor honing machine.
I'm a former United States Marine. I served from 1986 to 1992. I participated in the first Gulf War. I've been a mechanic for a living since 1986. It was started with me and Larry Klein. What we do is we do repairs for the veterans on their vehicles. And we have veterans that just can't afford to pay what a lot of shops are charging these days for labor. And every now and then someone will donate a vehicle to us and we will fix it up, make it safe, and give it to a veteran that has no vehicle so they can get back on their feet. Almost everything we get, it's all word of mouth. Very little actual publicity or anything like that. We do have a car. It's a retired Xfinity race car, and we use that to help get the word out for our nonprofit to try to get more sponsorships in. The wet blast is phenomenal. It far exceeds the dry blast. It's faster, it's more efficient, and overall it just makes the part more clean.
Do you think wet blasting will save you more time?
Oh, absolutely. Not only will it save me more time, but more money, because it's easier to recover the blasting media and use it again.
What do you think is the greatest benefit from using the wet blast cabinets?
The quality of work. You save so much more time because you don't have to go over the same part over and over. I mean, usually one time, one hit, you're done.
If you would like to help out, you can donate to their website. Go to www.vcalincolnton.org.